Do you want to try selling fit pics online and are making some research? Or you already started and have so many questions that you're looking to find answers for? There's a flood of people claiming that they are making fortunes with selling fit pics. But is it really as simple as they actually say? In this video, I'll share with you frequently asked questions about fit pic business, and hopefully some of your questions will get answered. And I have a list at the end of scam alerts that you need to look for and how you can avoid them. Hi, I'm Tina. If you're new here, welcome. On this channel, I talk about how you can find work from home jobs, side hustles, and build yourself multiple income streams, which is a way to your financial freedom. So if you're interested in these topics, consider subscribing to the channel and also turn on the notification bell so that you can be notified when I upload a new video on these topics. So what is selling fit pics? Is it even legal to sell fit pics? Others might even ask, who would even want to buy fit pictures? Just because to some people, when you mention fit, the first thing that comes to their mind is dirty and all sorts of other things. But what they don't actually know is that there are people out there who are willing to pay a lot of money for fit pics, videos, anything to do with fit. Yes, that's correct, girl. So selling pics is just as it sounds. Making money from the comfort of your own home, selling images or videos of your feet online. Yes, it is legal as long as you are over 18, with full ownership, of course, of the pictures. However, there are some religious beliefs which may find selling fit pictures immoral and illegal, particularly for women. So you need to do more research on that. Also, check in the country where you are if it is totally legal, as it might be different to any other country. And then others will be like, what are people gonna say? Well, the people you're referring to, what are they saying now that you lost your job? What are they saying now that you got laid off at work and have no income coming in? What are they saying now that you do not have enough money to feed and provide what your children need? What are they saying now that you cannot afford childcare costs? Honestly, do you really care about them? What is really important to you right now? Do not let anyone stop you from achieving your goals. The next question is, who buys these fit pics? Just like any other product you can think of, the very first thing the creator must know is who will buy this product. What problem is it going to solve for them? Why do they buy fit pictures? Take your fit pictures as a product and ask yourself the same questions. There's no difference at all. This way, you will have success since you will exactly know what audience you will market your products to. You will know exactly what they like, and you'll be able to create what this audience really like with no issues at all. There are so many people, businesses, who want food pictures. A business might have a product linked to fit, like spas, nail salons, who wants to market their products using the fit pics to attract and gain more customers. Stock photo websites like Shutterstock, Deposit Photos, they sell stock images and always want new images for their customers. Software programs like Canva, where people or businesses use their images to create their products. Bloggers who want to use the pictures, blog posts, articles, and so on. But out of all these, the community out there which people target the most is the foot fetish community. These are people who likes feet. It can be somebody's feet, bare feet, in stockings, in shoes, heels, anything to do with feet. So these are your potential customers. They buy feet pics to satisfy their foot fetish. So if you want to sell to them, then you need to do more research and know more about them. Don't just dive in without knowing your ideal customer. Next one is, how can you price fit pictures or custom-made videos of your feet? Look, price depends on you and what price you feel your product deserves. If you put your prices too low, that means you are telling your customers from the beginning that you are bargain. Really? Your pretty fit pics for a bargain? You can set reasonable prices at first, like $10 a picture, and then start putting bundles to reduce the price a bit, like $18 for two, or whatever you like. Start by testing different price points, then adjust as you go. Don't go too high for the fit pics though, because you will end up not getting many customers. Pictures don't take much work to do, so they should always be the lowest amount of what you're offering. But custom videos, physical products like the socks or the shoes can be even high. If it's a video, of course there will be more work involved, so you price them higher. Let's say you start with like $20 for a 3-minute video, then you can do $30 for 5-minute video. This way, your customers will be happy that they are getting a bargain, and you will be happy that you are getting more sales by bundling your products. You need to be creative, from the creation of your images to the price points, all the way to the marketing of your products, okay? The next question is, where can I sell my pictures and how can I get people to buy my pictures? There are websites that you can use to sell your pictures like InstaFit, FitFinder, OnlyFans. Social media can be a great place to start if you want to start selling fit pics to earn extra income. Like Instagram, you can start building a community around your targeted audience using hashtags or following other accounts with similar content like yours. You can be putting content of different pictures on your profile, and people who want more or videos or customized pictures will contact you via DM. Beware of the scams that goes on. I'll be talking about that later on in the video. So if you choose to be selling your pictures on Instagram, make sure your bio is complete and up to date and matches what your ideal customer wants. Post every day if possible, or every other day. Your images should be at least of good quality. This does not mean that you should go and buy this and that, but just making sure that the images are clear, at least if you want to attract customers. Add fit, relevant hashtags so that your content can be discoverable, and keep connecting with other profiles in your niche, as that's how you will grow your audience. You need to follow back those who follows you. Things to be aware of if you're trying to start with Instagram. I have come across some stories where Instagram accounts have been shut down due to their community policies without even warning them. So if you start, take Instagram as a starting point to build a following, while at the same time send your followers somewhere else to another platform like your OnlyFans page, so that even if the account is closed, you do not lose your followers. You will still be connected to them through the other platform, right? You have to be smart at this from the start. With OnlyFans though, you need to advertise more and show what you're working with before customers commit to buying. Of course, no one will buy without actually seeing your portfolio. Show them what you have on offer. Then they will buy when they are sure that they will get what they actually want. Do some research to see which one will suit you the best. The next question is, how do you get people to pay you? Listen, you have to receive payment first before you send the customer the fit pics or any custom-made videos. You are the one selling the product, not anyone else. So you are the one to get that cash, yeah? You can use Cash App and just send them the cash tag only, nothing else, for them to make your payment. Another question is it safe to use Cash App or PayPal from a direct person? According to PayPal policies, a PayPal account needs to be created with your legal name or business name, not a fake name. If you create with a fake name, you might not be able to add any bank account, receive payments, or even withdraw your money. So unless you want to upgrade it to a business account, then you are able to choose what information you want to be shared with your customer. And you know what? I have heard so many stories on how some people have been scammed by people disputing the transaction on PayPal and getting their money back after receiving the product. So my opinion on this is to use a Cash App to receive your payment. You can use Cash App anonymously. You can create a name tag that has nothing to do with your real name. Then all you do is give that cash tag, which has nothing, no links with your details whatsoever. You can go to the link in the description below to read more about the Cash App and the terms and conditions. And remember, always do more research. If you're enjoying this video, please press the like button below so that it can reach more people, for them to know more, so that if they have any questions on this fit pic business, then it might be able to answer for them. The next question is, how do you send your pictures to the buyer? Listen, you ask for the money first. Once you receive the funds through the Cash App, you will then send the pictures to them via direct message. Others are wondering, is it hard to get your first customers to buy from you? Well, this depends how fast you build your customer following, because you will not just create your page today and expect to start having some sales tomorrow. Real customers will first want to build some trust with you, since there is so much scamming going on the internet right now. Once they see that you keep putting content on your page and interacting with your followers, then they would consider reaching out to you for orders, just like you before buying any product. These guys are serious about their money as well and don't want to be scammed. So you need to keep building your page, because a built page with quality content leads to a long-term trusted customers. I have come across so many people saying they had a lot of DMs within the first week of them opening their account. Well, those DMs, are they from real customers? You will discover that later on in this video. The next question is, can a guy sell pictures of his girlfriend's feet on any of these platforms? If he can, should he register as himself or his girlfriend? I don't see any big issue with this. If that's what you have agreed to do between you, you or she can set up the account, then you can just run it. Not all businesses run their own social media accounts. Most of them employ social media managers to run the accounts or their pages. So that's just similar. As long as you have the consent, then why not? Scam alerts. Now, let's talk about scam messages that you might come across when you start your venture. There are many people out there who wants to reap where they never saw. So you have to be smarter than them and be able to identify their tactics. Some have bots. As soon as you post the pictures, they'll be there trying to fish some cash out of you. The first one is, someone asks you for cash tag and then transaction card. Transaction card for what though? You can send them the cash tag, which is the only information they require to pay you, and nothing else. Scam, scam, scam. They want to steal your information. Don't send anything apart from the cash tag. Period. Next one. If anyone talks about any allowance, giving any allowance at all, what allowance are they talking about? Scam. If anyone wants to get your location, no. Make sure you do not get involved in any kind of personal talk with anyone. Why would they request your details? Don't include your face in your pics. Never put your real location on your profile, and don't leave any clues about where you live. If anyone wants you to send them any money for the payment to be done, any amount of money, scam. These are scammers who wants to get paid for your products. Who gets the pay? The product owner or the buyer? Please sometimes ask them to mention which shop pays them before they actually buy the product. Never send any money or never give out your personal information. Don't fall into any trap. It does not matter what money value they are promising to give you after that. All they want is to take yours, your hard-earned money. That's their mission, and you will not see them again. Some will even want to start connecting with you first before taking the move. Know your boundaries and never forget your goals. If you notice someone is not being a serious potential customer, stop entertaining them. Use that time for something else that will add value to your business, okay? Right, the other one. Someone asks you to pay a fee or to go and buy any access cards. What cards? Fee for what? Honestly, what service or product are they providing to you to pay them the fee? Scam, block them and move on. Another thing is, if you get these type of messages, what you need to do is just block them and move on. Don't stop, just block them and move on. That's the way to success. Only losers give up. Don't give up on your goals. If you enjoyed this video, like, share with someone who might also find it useful. If you have any other questions that I did not answer today, please put them in the comment box below. Then I can create another video to answer them all. And next time I'll be uploading a video which will go deeper on how you can successfully sell and market your feed pics on OnlyFans. So if you're interested to watch that video, do not forget to hit the subscribe and the bell button below so that you will get notified when I upload that video. Until next time, bye bye.